Every day, your Zebra Android mobile devices help streamline processes and better serve customers. But with thousands of square feet in a retail store or warehouse, it's easy for workers to misplace devices. Now, you gain instant visibility to all your devices with the Zebra Device Tracker, an enterprise-grade cloud-based software solution. Device Tracker helps you find lost and misplaced devices across all your locations from anywhere. With map-based locationing, powered by Google Location Services, you can locate devices anywhere inside or outside your facilities. It can even locate powered-down Zebra devices equipped with BLE batteries. Device Tracker also offers a Geiger counter-style proximity indicator to make devices easy to find, plus the ability to remotely ring devices at any time for faster tracking. Device Tracker pairs the accountability of a single sign-on system with machine learning to analyze usage and help protect devices before they are lost. And with customizable reports, you get the information you need to maximize your device availability. When your business strategy relies on mobile computing, a single missing device can lower your productivity and ROI. Get the visibility you need to maximize every Zebra Android mobile device with Device Tracker.